Chef Jeff is back, and today we are making a dessert dish. Let's go. What are you making, you ask? Oh, you didn't ask? Well, you're gonna get the answer anyways. We're making brownies with a twist. So they were supposed to be Halloween brownies, but they didn't have the orange Halloween Oreos, so we're using the Christmas ones. And they also didn't have the Halloween sugar cookies that are fire, so we're using the footballs. We also got a muffin pan to put them in. I'm not a baker. I never claimed to be a baker. Let's get after it. Step 1 complete. Oh. Looks like someone ate some of the Oreos before I even could bake them. Wonder who? Brownies next. Oh yeah. Safety first. Woo! Got my chef partner, Pumpkin. Gotta test out the frosting, make sure it tastes good.
There's no corn in it.
Fantastic. The frosting got messy. I put it on when they were still hot, so it melted all over the place. But it's gonna taste fantastic still. Mmm. These are fantastic. I'm going for a second one. Those are fantastic. I'm going for a third one. Just kidding. They're fantastic but sickening. I rate my creation here a 9.4 out of 10. I'm a chef, baby. I'm a chef. Chef Jeff.